Okay, we got, this is
The head.
going to, nope, this is going to the breather here. This is going to the other, to the block over here. In the little L angle, there's going to be the drain, which comes back to here. And then you'll have the, here's the PCV back, the check valve pushes forward, connects to the throttle body, and that one goes to the head here, and then this one runs all the way over to the head. This would be the middle one.
Yep.
Go over to the head all the way over here, and then this one, yeah, this one runs to the this one runs to the head.
Which is this one?
And then these are the two, those are the two cooler lines.
Okay.
These are the two, it runs
To the bottom of it.
It runs to the bottom, and these are the coolant lines that go through and warm it up so it gets up to temp.
Cool.
So knowing that, feel free to disconnect as you please, and I will watch this back and swear at myself when I can't figure it out. I'm pretty sure I can sort it out. And I'm gonna put the heat shields on them this time when we put it back together.
No, we're not.
What?
No, we're not.
Yeah, I am. You can't tell me what to do. This is my car.
I'll be busy.
My car. I'm gonna do what I want.
We don't know what we're doing. We're just here hanging out.
It's 10:45 and Carlos has snapped off 6 bolts off of my transmission. This is some bullshit. How do you have to say for yourself?
It got sent.
Yeah, well, yeah, they came out. Fucking bullshit.
Told you I didn't know how to pull an engine. You just said
Love you, future Greg. Good luck.